Yo, just remember, I still have all the comments saying that these gonna sit, nobody gonna want them when they drop. And just know, bro, I got it all documented so I can remember y'all names for later. There's even some people that confess, say, yo, DaVintage, you were right, man. But these right here was definitely one of the ones of the year. And I got a little lucky, you know what I'm saying? It shocked everybody. The release was kind of crazy, but your boy had to secure that double up. And I said I wasn't gonna do it this year, you know what I'm saying? But hey, sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do, man. Let's get into today's video. Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping into another one of them ones. And shouts out to my guy Kimani with the Mahari code on, bro. You guys see me, I wear these like every day. It's either the green one, the light green one, or the black one. I gotta get the red one still, but shouts out to bro. Everybody keep asking me where I get these hoodies from Mahari code. You guys go check them out over on Instagram. I don't know if they still in stock, but I definitely need to get a red one, so I gotta hit my bro up, man. But again, bro, you guys heard about the intro, man. We talking about a sneaker that, yeah, it kind of surprised everybody, and them things are starting to rise, so you might want to get a pair now. But if you guys are new here to the channel, right now we need everybody to do, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy, make sure you run the likes. The likes go a long way, and it shows YouTube you guys are ultimately enjoying the content. It just made me feel a little good, you know what I'm saying? Let's help your boy out, do your boy solid, and run the mics up. If you have not checked out yesterday's video, we dropped an early look over the Air Jordan 3 Pure Monies, and there's some mixed emotions, some mixed feelings, some mixed vibes about that sneaker. Me personally, I'm gonna stand straight in the middle because I don't know if it's a grab for me right now or if it's a pass for me. I know it's a lot of people on the fence as well, but a sneaker that a lot of people were, you know, kind of comparing that shoe to was the Craft Ivories. But if you guys remember, the Craft Ivories is one of them sleepers, bro. One of them crazy sleepers. And I can see the Pure Monies being the same type of, you know, sleeper release where people kind of sleeping on them joints, but still low-key fire, man. All right, man, so let's go ahead and get into the package. This is one that I was a little bit surprised on. I never really hit on FLX, but I did hit on FLX shipped to me. So you guys probably know exactly what they are, but we gotta pull them out, man. The Rambo and F. And this is only due to the fact that the hype was just crazy. The hype came out of nowhere. So let's go ahead and pop these things open. Shouts out to everybody for tuning in again, man. I'm trying to keep this content going for you guys. Some good content where you got some come and chop about certain releases, certain sneakers, and I'm gonna try to keep bring you guys some early looks, some topics that we ain't really been hitting on. So I hope you guys are enjoying it, man. So let's go ahead and get into it. As soon as you see the box, you're gonna know exactly what we have. But yes, sir, that double up is secure. Am I gonna keep the double up? Not too sure, but the prices is rising like crazy. Rising like crazy. You guys see, bro, we have them right here, man. You already know what they are, bro. Let's go ahead and just flip them open and just, you know, kind of talk about the release. Shouts out to FLX for the ship to me dub. Y'all know what it is, bro. Y'all know what it is. Check them out, the Air Jordan 14 Ferrari, guys. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I feel like the quality is a little bit inconsistent because, bro, the suede on this pair looks really, really, well, I ain't gonna say really, really good because the 2014 pair was crazy. But the pair that I had early from Girl Central did not have that, like, thick suede right there. I don't know. Hold on. I'm gonna grab my other pair real quick. Let me pull both of these joints out of the box so we can, you know, check them out, compare and contrast these. But I did hear there was a lot of complaints about the quality control surrounding this shoe. Let me put this to the side real quick. Yeah, there were a lot of, you know, complaints about quality control. I seen some pair had like some wrinkles on it. I seen some pairs super flat, you know, suede. And this one right here actually looks pretty decent. So that's probably a quality control issue. But still, definitely one that just kind of came up and surprised everybody in terms of selling out. Because you guys know 14s don't get a lot of buzz, but 14 they always are the most limited stock in terms of silhouettes. Like it'd be even crazy if we got like a 15 or 17 and stuff like that. They're always super limited. Even look back at the Air Jordan 17 Thunders. Them joints are super limited, and the UNC. So anything past 13 really is a lot more critical to get in terms of, you know, how available they are, man. But you guys see them. Let me go ahead and grab my double up real quick. All right, let me go ahead and pull these guys out real quick so we can kind of check the differences. I'm telling, bro, I gotta hit y'all with B-roll because the suede look crazy on this pair in terms of this release, not the 2014s behind me. Where they at? They're over there. Not terms of those 14s behind me for 2014, but the differences in the suede is low key hidden. Like these joints is really, bro, I don't know what's going on, bro. I wonder if people's pairs came like this right here, or this one right here, because this is a little bit more rugged suede. I can like feel the thickness of it, you know what I'm saying? And these right here is super, super flat. So if you guys kind of had that same issue, y'all let me know in the comment section. But I am a little bit surprised by that one, bro. Like, look at this. You got the thick suede over here, and then they just shade this joint down, super flat suede. I don't know what's going on with that. But again, you gu's know that, hold on, where's this came from? Let me put that over there. Let me put that over there. But you guys know that the resale is starting to rise like crazy on these. And it's always a topic that I love to hit on in terms of you securing sneakers that you want. I don't care about resale, but if the resale is high and it's rising, it might be beneficial for you to snag said sneaker. And the sneaker that everybody's been talking about, even after the JD restock, people took L's on that. They're like, yo, when should I get them? And I definitely think these will continue to rise. Because when next time we gonna see these? Probably another 10, 11 years from now. Because the last one was 2014, and we got them in 2025. So you guys can see. So if you can wait 11 years, 10 years for them, by all means, be my guest. But in terms of, copping them now, kind of gauging the market, bro, these are rising super quick because they were a lot more limited than your traditional Jordan 14. So let me go ahead and check StockX real quick. Go wherever you want to do. It's kind of all pretty similar. They're all pretty, in that same area. And for size 9, size 9.5, size 10, you guys can see. I'm putting a screenshot up here so you guys can, kind of check it out. But the prices are definitely staying steady right now. They're definitely a lot higher over on GOAT. GOAT is like charging like $300 for a pair, which is kind of crazy. And then a bigger size, you already know, bro. You paying $320 for a size 15. You paying $300 for a size 14. So you guys know the bigger sizes, and it's a 14, so you're already limited. Them joints are gonna be a little bit more crucial in getting in terms of paying resale. So you guys let me know how you feel about it, man. Is this one of those sleeper sneakers that kind of, everybody try to put to the side, or were people kind of trying to safeguard themselves and putting in the comments and under videos these trash? Everybody really wanted the Ferraris because they hold that weight, bro. These joints is clean, bro. Probably one of the best non-OG, bro. It is the best non-OG original 14 in my honest opinion, man. You guys can let me know how you feel about that down below in the comment section. And again, man, that was my first time hitting on FLX shipped to me. Hopefully I hit on FLX shipped to me for the Air Jordan, or the Air Jordan, the Foamposite Pro, or it's not even a Pro, the Foamposite triple white joints. Really, really want them. I've been trying to call around where I'm at, see who's getting them, but them joints seem like they're gonna be a little tough to get in store. I might have to buy them on GOAT or something like that, but hey, it's neither here nor there. Let me know in the comment section if you're going after the phones. I know I'm kind of getting off topic, but it's a lot of stuff dropping, a lot of stuff releasing, and it's just a lot. That's all I can really say. So if you guys still do not have a pair, let me know in the comment section. Let me know what you waiting on. Do you think the resale is going to drop? I definitely think it's going to continue to rise, but I'm here, kind of hear how y'all feeling about these, what you think the release is going to be later down the line, what you think about the Ferrari 14s and all that good stuff. And I'm thinking about doing a giveaway here soon for a sneaker for all the love you guys have been showing. So you guys continue to run the likes up. You guys continue to spam in the comments. And hey, one of you guys might just get lucky. I might just be like, yo, send me an IG. And I'm gonna say, yo, send me your address so I can send you something. You know what I'm saying? That's where I want to get to eventually. Because I love giving back. Having it a giveaway in a minute. So we gotta do something for y'all, man, because I do truly appreciate y'all, man. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, man. Run them likes up, and also hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any content that we do drop, because sometimes, man, YouTube has not been putting out the content to everybody. Like, I be getting late notifications from the people I'm subscribed to. They be dropping a video like a whole day ago, and I'm just getting notifications. I don't understand that. But again, man, I do truly appreciate you guys for tuning in. Hit that like button. Again, sub up, spam the comments. All that's being said, man, your boy, The Vintage. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.